So the radiation that is present in space is so energetic that it basically passes through almost anything. So when you have an electronic component that is, say, driving your spacecraft or sending it from one point to the other, it's always impacted by radiation. As a very simple example, say that you have a bit inside an electronic component which is 0, you could flip it to 1.
ARTS is an EU-funded project which focuses on mimicking the conditions that we have in space because of the cosmic rays in irradiation facilities, in accelerators at ground level and specifically in Europe.
Spaceflight is relying a lot more than before on commercial electronic components, and actually it's very advantageous to be testing these electronic components before embarking on spaceflight, and that's really why we need these heavy ion facilities on Earth, because we're able to test them in a laboratory environment, and it's these testing facilities that we are developing in the HARTS project at CERN and in GSI.